Worlds collisions. Cut. Tape. Tape 2. The world's cut. Tape 2. Tape 3. The world's collision was here. The world was about to end. So we make a change. All the Autobots roll out. Missiles, everything were being launched. Humans dying of heart attacks. Humans suffering, running, losing breath, dying.
And then at the end, they supposed to kill Sarah John.
Humans, babies dying, cause the world collision is here. The adults, babies cannot live with a world collision, cause they can't buy milk from stores, cause stores are destroyed. So that's why me, Bumblebee, and all the others Autobots will stop the Decepticons. Dino, Sideswipe, everybody, every single Autobot. You with me,
Every
B?
single person who collided. He pulled over.
So the world collision is time to pop. Oh, sorry, I got to go. Oh. Yeah. Anyway, I was saying, the world collision, it's happening, folks. So lock your home doors, lock your windows, lock your attics, lock your chimney. If you have a lock to your chimney, lock everything that you can lock in your house. Cause I'm about to go. I can't see. Who are you? What? What? You are the new Decepticon. Too bad, cause I am way stronger than you. So you better suffer or die. No, you better suffer or die. Like I was gonna say, Big. What? What do you want?
No,
Come here.
I finally take a second.
Come here.
1, 3, 7. What the?
What do you want? We're stopping the world's collision. Oh yeah, I'm already got my arm back together. Yeah, I got my arm back together. Yep.
Dang it! Why did I do that?
It's my arms back together. Alright, that's good. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Wait. What? Where are the other Autobots? Oh, they went out for ice cream sundae for that epic takedown yesterday that you told them to go get, and both of us will stop the world's collision. I never should have made a promise. But promises is what I make, and lies is what I don't make. Lies, what Autobot. Cut 4. Tape 4. On Decepticons do lie, and once I get the chance to see my mommy, when I get the chance to see the mother of the Allspark, I'll be the powerful. We all Autobots will be the powerful Autobots on the planet. Not your regular Autobots. Every other Autobot on every other country. So I guess we're the only ones stopping this. you don't get punched. Missed. Missed again. Hold on, wait a minute. Pause. Cut. Missed. Missed. Missed again. Wow. I know Decepticons hate Decepticons.
That's not even a joke.
Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, that's gotta hurt. So B, I think he's dead. I think that got some. I think that Decepticon done some drugs. Uh-oh, there's missile. No one touch this. Mother. Yes. Wait, no. Mother of the Allspark. Yes. I need the Allspark to be more powerful than these guys. Okay. And my gun needs power too. Alright, I got a lot of the Allsparks and a lot of gun Allsparks to make the guns even powerful. Just throw the gun in the air, high as you can. Yeah! Thank you. I'm gonna throw it back down. Oh, guys, is that a black gun meteorite? You idiot! That doesn't make sense, bro. Ugh. Got it. Now let's see if this thing is really powerful. Oh gosh, this thing really is powerful. He does not know that I'm behind him. Yeah, you know. What the? Am I controlling myself? Wait, something's controlling me. What the? I'm not doing this. Hey, I'm not dodging you, but something's controlling me. That was just a joke. I was controlling myself. Boom, boom. Ow. Oh yeah. Watch out, that pipe is loose. Oh no.
No.
No, boom!
Oh.
Oh, my eye. That's got it. World's collision was almost ended until that Optimus and B heard some. Until Optimus and Bumblebee had bad news that Megatron had left the island and got killed by someone. They wanted to kill him and steal the Allspark, but the person that probably killed him probably stole the Allspark. But World's collision has ended. Sam and Michaela almost died. We had to save them.
And Soda was saved.
Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed the video and like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye!